Namaskar, dear students. Myself Diksha Punjabi. Today we are here to study 47th and 48th unit of your GK book. So let's begin with 47th unit, that is Insect World. So here we are going to know more about the insects. As you all know that insects are the most diverse group of animals on the earth. With over a million of species, so more than all other animal groups, insects are is one of the species that is so diverse, and there are so many species. So today we are going to learn more about them. So let's start with it. First is, to which phylum or division do insects belong? Phylum means जाति. तो कौन सी जाति के हैं जो insects किस जाति को belong करते हैं? The answer for that is arthropod. So everybody note down the spellings very carefully. It's arthropod. Next is, how does one determine the age of an insect? Insect की age कैसे पता चलेगी? By counting the number of rigid sections on the antenna. So write down the complete answer by counting the number of rigid sections on the antenna. Third is, which common household insect can live without its head for a week? मीन्स बिना सिर के भी वो एक हफ्ते तक रह सकता है. ऐसा कौन सा इंसेक्ट है? द आंसर इज कॉकरोच. फोर्थ, you have to answer it in true or false. Butterflies taste with their feet. The answer for this is true. Yes, the butterflies taste with their feet. Fifth is the spider an insect? क्या spider जो है उसे हम एक insect में काउंट करते हैं? The answer for that is no. Sixth is, what do you call a person who studies insects? That means the person who used to study about the insects, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? The answer for that is entomologist. Note down the spelling carefully. It's entomologist. Seventh is, Apis mellifera. ये जो साइंटिफिक नेम है कौन से इंसेक्ट का है? Apis mellifera. So it is the name of a honeybee. So honeybee is the right answer of it. Note it down. Eighth is, also known as green fly. This insect does not lay eggs. So ऐसा कौन सा इंसेक्ट है जो अंडे नहीं देता है और उसे हम ग्रीन फ्लाई के नाम से जानते हैं? The answer is aphid. Next is, what is the common name given to termites? तो टर्माइट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? दीमक, जिसके नाम से जो जानी जाती है, उसे इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? उसे हम जानते हैं व्हाइट आंट्स के नाम से. सो व्हाइट आंट्स इज द राइट आंसर. विच इंसेक्ट लिव्स इन अ फॉर्मिकेरी? सो द इंसेक्ट नेम इज आंट. एक्चुअली जहां आंट रहती है उसे हम फॉर्मिकेरी कहते हैं. 11th is, why is the lady bird called the gardener's friend? जो लेडी बर्ड होती है उसे हम गार्डनर्स फ्रेंड क्यों कहते हैं? The reason for that is because it feeds on aphids which destroy plants. क्योंकि ये वो कीड़े खाती है जो कि प्लांट्स को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं, एंड उन कीड़ों को हम एफिड्स कहते हैं. Which are the loudest and most noisy insects? सबसे ज्यादा आवाज करने वाले कौन से insects हैं? So the most noisy insect is cicadas. Now we are going to do the B part of this unit, that is, so here are different creepy crawly types given. So you have to identify in that ki which of the insect is this. As first is sailor, paper kite, striped crow. So these are the different types of butterflies where different names are given. So these are the types of butterflies. So butterflies is the right answer for the first. Second is carpenter, mason, bumble. So which are the types of the insects given the name over here? The type of the names given is of bees. So these are the names of different types of bees. So bees is the right answer for this. Third is marble, imperial, desert. These are the types of scorpions. So scorpion is the right answer. Brahma, hieroglyphic, Assam moon. These are the different types of name for the moths. It's moths. MOTHS. So this was about the 47th unit. Now we move towards the 48th, which is about the animal facts. So here few facts about the animals are given. You have to identify them as true or false. So let's begin with this unit. First is the critically endangered black rhinoceros is found in South America. This statement or the fact is true or false. You have to tell. This first statement given is false because the black rhinoceros are found in Africa, not in South America. So this is the wrong answer. The answer it is false. The second is pangolins are the most trafficked mammals in the world. Exactly, this is true because these are the most trafficked mammal in the world. Third is leatherback sea turtles are the largest turtles in the world. Exactly, it's true because these are the largest turtles found all over the world. It is true. Fourth is troops of mountain gorilla are led by a dominant adult female called the silverback. तो क्या जो माउंटेन गॉरिलाज हैं वो एडल्ट फीमेल को हम सिल्वरबैक कहते हैं? द आंसर इज फॉल्स बिकॉज वो फीमेल नहीं होते, दोज आर द मेल जिन्हें हम सिल्वरबैक कहते हैं. फिफ्थ इज द क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड सुमंत्रन टाइगर is the largest surviving subspecies of tigers in the world. So we have to tell it is right or wrong. So it is false because Sumatran tiger are not the largest surviving subspecies, बल्कि वो सबसे कम पाए जाने वाली या सबसे smallest surviving subspecies हैं tigers की पूरे वर्ल्ड में. So it is false. Sixth is, even though blue whales are the largest animal in the world, their diet mostly consists of tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. So, whether it is true or false, let's see. Yes, it is true because these are the largest animal, those who are found all over the world, जो कि बहुत ही छोटे shrimp-like animals को खाते हैं. Seventh is, the giant panda is found only in the Himalayan region. So is it true or false? It's completely false because the giant panda is found in Minshan and Kinling mountains of China, not in the Himalayan region. So it's false. Eighth is the Ganges River dolphin is also called the blind dolphin as it is nearly blind. So it is true because here in this river, true dolphin is also called blind dolphin because it is nearly blind. So here we complete the 48th unit about the animals. I hope you all have completed it. Thank you.